Hi there guys, Callum Anderson and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been quite a while since I posted some new content up on here, but plans have been underway and I'm now able to reveal to you that this channel will be changing to Saltire Workshop. Continue to be my videos, but just be based here in the Maker's Workshop. There'll be a range of videos from woodworking to electronics to general making and lots more exciting stuff like that. You can subscribe to the channel, please share it around any of your making friends who may be interested in the sort of videos I'll come up with. Currently sitting in the workshop that I've built. It's 6 foot by 12 foot, so it's quite a decent sized workshop, and there'll be lots more videos based in the workshop which I'll share on the channel when I make them. I'm not going to commit myself to any sort of video making schedule because that always puts extra pressure on things, so I'm just going to go for it completely off the cuff. If a video comes up, but this should be more regular than they have been in the past. Anyway, you can find out more about the workshop at my website, callum.link/workshop. I'm Callum Anderson from the new Saltire Workshop, and thanks for watching.